In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change dark mode in Bolt.new. If you spend a lot of time building websites, apps, or prototypes, switching to a darker interface can make your workspace more comfortable, especially in low light. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you're seeing, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident making the change. First, open your browser and go to Bolt.new. This takes you to the Bolt AI Builder, where you create and refine projects. Give the page a moment to load so the interface initializes fully. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard or editor view with your usual panels and controls. Next, look for the settings area. It's typically represented by a gear icon, often located in the top corner or within the app's sidebar. Click on Settings to open your preferences. This is where Bolt groups controls that affect how the workspace behaves and looks, so it's the right place for appearance changes. Inside Settings, find and click on Theme. Theme is the section dedicated to how the user interface is styled. When you open it, you may see options like Light, Dark, or System, sometimes with a brief description or a small preview. This panel doesn't change your project content. It only adjusts the editor's colors, panels, backgrounds, and text contrast to match your chosen style. Now, select Dark. The moment you click Dark, Bolt will apply the darker color palette across the interface. Menus, sidebars, and the canvas background will shift to deeper tones, while text and icons adopt higher contrast to remain clear and readable. The change is immediate, so you can keep working without interruption. Many people find this reduces eye strain, improves focus by minimizing glare, and can even help conserve battery life on devices with OLED displays. If you decide later that dark isn't right for your environment, you can return to the same theme section anytime and choose a different option. Your project's settings and edits remain untouched. Only the editor's look is updated. This flexibility makes it easy to match your workspace to your lighting conditions or personal preference. That's all it takes. Go to Bolt.new, open Settings, choose Theme, and click Dark. A small change, but it can make a big difference in comfort during long sessions. If this was helpful, keep exploring your settings to tailor the workspace further and enjoy building in a view that's easier on your eyes.